Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Joyce B. Rosales. I am 27 years old. I am single and I am a college graduate. I had experience here in Philippines as a babysitter and house helper for 2 years. From January 5, 2018 to February 2, 2020, finished contract.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities in my previous jobs are taking care of 9 months old baby boy and 5 years old boy. I also do cooking, cleaning, and washing clothes.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
I will take good care of them by cooking and feeding them, and also make sure that they are healthy and clean, and also serving them as my own family.
Please tell us some of your skills.
I am hardworking, I can cook, I can clean, and I also do gardening, and I am willing to learn more things that will help me to do my job well.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam Sir, it is necessary to be a hardworking person, trustworthy, honest, and God-fearing. It is also necessary to always listen to the instruction of your employer.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam Sir, I will promise to finish my 2 years contract, and I will give my priorities to my responsibilities. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.